If your Google business profile is not ranking on Google Maps, I'm going to show you right away a very simple Chrome extension tool you can use to spy on your competitors to know exactly the category they are using to outrank you. So if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith, and all I do on this channel is to teach you how to use simple tools to grow your business online and make money for yourself. So if you are interested, please watch to the end of this video so that you'll be able to spy on your competitors, find out what they are doing, which you are not doing right, then replicate what they are doing to get a better result for yourself. Let's get right into it. The next thing I'm going to do now is to come over to Google Maps and type maps.google.com. I want to see what my competitors are doing on Google Maps to outrank me, especially the category they are using, the primary and secondary categories they are using, so that I will be able to also rank on that particular category. So what you're going to do is come to Google Maps. Before you come to Google Maps, you're going to come to your browser and type GMB everywhere. If you don't want to go there, you can simply go to the description of this video. I'm going to attach the link there. Click on the link there. It will bring you to this place. Then install the Chrome extension. Click on install Chrome extension. I've already installed it. Can you see it's showing me remove from Chrome extension? So I've already installed it. Just go to the description of this video to install. When you're done with that, come to your Google Maps and then type what's your business. Let's say I'm just a carpenter in Cape Town. I want to type Cape Town, anyone. So just type any location and you see these are businesses that are ranking here, and then you know that your business is not here. All you have to do is just to install this Chrome extension and look at what this Chrome extension has done here. Look at the magic this Chrome extension has done here. It has exposed their category for us. It has also given us these features here for us to analyze what they are doing and then steal what they are doing to make ours better. We are not stealing per se, but we are trying to find out what they're doing so that we can do better and rank better than them. Let's see. If I click on this category, now we have seen their primary category. I'm going to click on more. Can you see this is their primary category, which is this carpenter? Can you see that it has this star, this yellow star here? That means it is the primary category, and then they are using interior designer as their secondary category, kitchen remodeler, woodworker. You just click on find more. One thing I love about this particular tool is that you are going to audit their business profile directly on Google Maps without logging in. You're going to see what they are doing. Look at their pictures. Are they using real pictures? Can you see how many hours are they open in a day? Phone number is there, and whatever information they have, make sure you are doing the same thing or you are doing better. Let's click on basic to see what they are doing. Once you click on basic, to enable you to see exactly what they're doing, but then we have seen their category, so you can decide to go ahead and handle other stuff. So these are details of their business. What's their landing page like? Let me click on their landing page. Let's see what their landing page is like. I'm not doing an audit here, but I'm just going to show you what this tool does for you and the advantage it gives you for you to audit businesses and then get better. I'm using the pro version of this tool, but you can use the free version. It is absolutely free. You can use the free version to get exactly the same result. The only thing is that there are some features that you need to access on the premium. Let's see what it looks like. This is their business profile. This is their website. Can you see? Their website is also optimized for local search. If your website is not optimized, you can embed Google Maps here. All right, make sure you embed Google Map location on your landing page. Make sure you have that your location mentioned on your landing page. These are ways you can optimize your landing page for local search, so you can steal whatever they are doing here. See their post, the style of their post. You can open any of their posts to see how it looks like, and then make sure yours is much more better. See their posts. These are things they are doing. Okay, so you can take a look at what they are doing and then replicate the same. That is what this tool does for you. It is one of the best tools I've ever used to get this exact result. You can review, you can audit their review as well. Click on review. It will show you exactly the number of reviews they have, a whole lot of things. It will expose the quantity of their review. They have just total of one review, but their review is 5-star review. And then you see you can do much more better. If they can rank like this, you can do much more better by getting better reviews. Can you see they have claimed their business? If yours is not claimed, make sure you claim it, all right, by verifying the location on the map. Categories, these are things they are using so you can optimize and do much better. If you find this helpful, all you need to do now is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure you share this video so that others can see it. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. See you in my next video.